Hi, Brian here from quantlabs.net. We got a few more comments that came in from some quantlabs premium members. So I got a posting already up on my blog. I'm going to read out some of the comments from it and then respond via video and YouTube, which is just faster for me to post. Okay, so last night's webinar from Stuart at MathWorks. A lot of people loved it. We've got lots of great comments on the meetup groups. Thank you for posting. Really important for MathWorks and the guys and gals at MathWorks to see that, just to see how much value this group has for products like Matlab. Okay, but I got two postings. I'm going to put two separate videos together on this. But the first one is from a really awesome member who's a hardware guy who can build FPGA boards, and this guy's amazing on some of his ideas, and I just wanted to respond to it already just so that people in YouTube land, Interland, and blog and everywhere else can get an update from me on what's going on. Okay, so what a great webinar yesterday. I totally agree. Matlab software package is big. Yes, it is. I'm going to let you read this. Like I said, I'll put a link of this to this post with the video on the blog. Brokers can make a complete system with many traders connected. This is what he's saying. So we have to optimize things. Hopefully there are a number of people who are willing to form a team and work together. Give me a second here. And he also says this is not for everybody. I totally agree. But those that do find the value will exponentially reap the rewards and benefits of the power of Matlab and building trading models and systems and trading platforms. And those that get stuck in the retail trading platforms are just that limited. Okay, so this is what he's saying. This is getting bigger and bigger, more than you can do by yourself. I totally agree, but I do this night and day anyway, so it doesn't bother me. I think we're nearing the momentum when a team has to be formed with members with complementing expertise to commit themselves to realize the goals to be agreed. This goes beyond the membership of quantlabs.net. This is the next step. This is business. Believe me, this is being publicized. That is already underway. I have a variety of groups of people, pretty well like on standby, that are willing to jump in based upon whatever specialties. We got C++ guys, we have a few MATLAB algorithm specialists. We already got what I call my partner in crime, who I see quite and talk to quite regularly, who's helping to build some of the strategies in MATLAB and hopefully soon Simulink and Stateflow and all that. So those are already underway. You need a team, and you need to realize a first demo automated trading system. I'll get to that in a minute. And then this can be presented to potential investors, resulting in agreements, business plans, setting up and rolling out the systems and services. Perhaps I get too fast. Do realize he's from the Netherlands. Perhaps I get too fast, but I like the overall picture and see where we. Now notice he's saying we. This is a team effort here, which is part of my membership. But again, I'll probably go on about that in a second. In my opinion, if you do not take the next step, you can continue with a membership on the website and present everybody promising developments, which I'm already doing, and products. If this is what you want to do, no problem. Do continue. Everybody makes his own choices. I think I made my point. I'm willing to participate in the next level. Okay, tell me what you think. Perhaps another step. Okay, let me respond to all that. As I said in previous videos, we've got quite a number of, we'll call them external investors that are very excited in what they see here. That has been in motion for probably well over a year now, and nothing has come into fruition because of the constant researching, both on the technology as well as on the strategy side. I just don't think we're there yet, but once we are very close to, as this person's saying, to put together a demo system, which pretty well we're going to have, using Stateflow as well as C++, and having maybe, I'm hoping, an end-to-end system using the interactive brokers and the IQ feed for market data and for the execution. So it might not be perfect, but it's good enough to go with as a first cut system, and obviously that will be part of the membership. So that is being, or may hopefully be planned. I've already revealed that last night after the webinar from MathWorks last night. So all of this is already in place. Once we do have a system in place and we got some strategies that show a lot of potential, a lot of profit, I'm sure I'm already gotten 2 emails this morning on potential new investment to come in. So there's constant flow of it all the time, and I've got one guy, well, actually I got 2 capital allocators that are constantly getting bombarded for new investment opportunities, which these people are watching what we're doing. So it's going to get pretty hairy if things get all profitable and show a lot of promise. So I'm very excited by that, and obviously my membership, and it may go exclusive or by invite only or something along those lines where you know, we don't know yet. It's all early days right now. So that's what we're doing, just to let people know. If you are considering to join the membership, now's the time. There's going to be possibly a new group spinning off from my paying members, a very small group, as this member is suggesting. If you got a certain talent, you're driven, you're ready to contribute, yeah, we'll talk. But right now we've got a lot of people lined up, and I know who's out there, who's ready to deliver what they can deliver in terms of their talents. I know them because they're part of my membership, and I speak to them regularly. And if you're sitting on the sidelines, you're just kind of like expecting stuff, well, you're not going to be part of this small little group that we're kind of developing, or will develop over the next couple of weeks. So there you go. Hope that answers your question and everybody else's questions. Lots of exciting stuff now, especially after last night, what I saw, and that video or the presentation really convinced me that Matlab is the way. And yeah, it's no questions. Anyone else that doesn't know Matlab doesn't know Matlab. If they're basing it upon not knowing stuff, well, I don't know, lost opportunity for them, I guess. Anyways, hopefully I'll help you out. Talk to you later.